Trick 1. Multiplying by 2. Here's the first trick. Multiplying by 2 is just the same as adding the number to itself. For example, 3 times 2 is like saying 3 plus 3. What does that equal? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Yes. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Isn't that easy? Trick 2. Multiplying by 5. Here's a cool one. Multiplying by 5 is like counting by fives. Let's try 5 by 4. Count with me, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. And here's a bonus tip, if you're multiplying by an even number, the answer ends in 0. If it's odd, the answer ends in 5. Trick 3. Multiplying by 9. Let's move on to 9. Here's a handy trick, literally. Put out both hands. To find 9 by 3, fold down your third finger. How many fingers are on the left? 2. And on the right? 7. So, 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Amazing, right? Try it with other numbers. Trick 4. Multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10 is the easiest. Just add a 0 to the number. For example, 7 times 10 is equal to 70. And 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Trick 5. Squares of numbers ending in 5. Here's a cool trick for numbers ending in 5. Let's try 25 by 25. Take the first number, 2, and multiply it by the next number, 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then add 25 to the end, 625. So, 25 times 25 is equal to 625. Isn't that magical? Trick 6. Doubling and halving for easier multiplication. Here's a trick for tricky numbers. If one number is even, have it and double the other number, it gives the same result. Let's try 16 by 25. Half of 16 is 8. Double 25 to get 50. Now multiply 8 times 50 is equal to 400. So, 16 times 25 is equal to 400. Isn't that awesome? Trick 7. Multiplying by 11. Multiplying by 11 is like magic. For two-digit numbers, follow this. Let's try 23 by 11. Split 23 into 2 and 3. Add the digits, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Place the sum in the middle, 253. So, 23 times 11 is equal to 253. Works every time. Trick 8. Multiplying by 4 using doubling. Multiplying by 4 is easy if you double the number twice. Let's try 7 by 4. Double 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Double 14. 14 plus 14 is equal to 28. So, 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Sweet and simple. Trick 9. Multiplying numbers close to 100. If two numbers are close to 100, use this trick. Let's try 97 by 96. Subtract each number from 100. 100 minus 97 is equal to 3, 100 minus 96 is equal to 4. Add the results, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Subtract 7 from 100. 100 minus 7 is equal to 93. Multiply the differences, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Put the results together, 9,312. So, 97 times 96 is equal to 9,312. How cool is that? Trick 10. Using rounding for multiplication. Round one number to the nearest 10, multiply, then adjust. Let's try 48 by 6. Round 48 to 50. Multiply 50 times 6 is equal to 300. Subtract the extra, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 300 minus 12 is equal to 288. So, 48 times 6 is equal to 288. Easy, right? Trick 11. Multiplying by 15 quickly. To multiply by 15, first multiply by 10, then add half of that number. Let's try 24 by 15. Multiply 24 times 10 is equal to 240. Add half of 240, 240 plus 120 is equal to 360. So, 24 times 15 is equal to 360. What a party trick! Trick 12. Multiplying numbers ending in 0. For numbers ending in 0, ignore the zeros, multiply the main numbers, and add the zeros back. Let's try 30 by 40. Ignore the zeros, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Add the 2 zeros back, 1200. So, 30 times 40 is equal to 1200. Easy math magic. You've done amazing today. Remember, multiplication math doesn't have to be hard, it can be fun with the right tricks. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to learn even more cool math tips with us. See you next time, friends.